Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share PowerPoint presentation in Google Meet. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a virtual meeting in my Google Meet, and here I'm going to show you how we can share our presentation. First of all, we need to go to the share option right here. We can tap on present now. Okay, and here you will have three options. You can select from tab, windows, entire screen. And if you want to share your entire screen, you can select this option and your entire screen will be presented. But I'm just going to select window and I'm going to select PPT or PowerPoint presentation. Make sure you have opened your PowerPoint so the window will appear right here. As you can see, I have opened my PowerPoint presentation. And after we have selected the PowerPoint, we just need to click on share. And the PowerPoint presentation will be shared to the audience in Google Meet. Okay, that's done. And if you want to stop the sharing, you just need to click on stop sharing. Okay guys, and that's all the way to share PowerPoint presentation in Google Meet. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.